Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need IELTS or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So this school has, free application, right? It's written here, application fee no longer required. Good news, in an effort to reduce one of the barriers to getting a higher education, we have removed the application fee permanently. So from here on out, application fee is no longer required when you're applying to this school. So how do you enroll? There are 6 steps listed here. So you complete the online application, then you submit your transcripts and proof of immunization. And then next one is the assess placement. You determine which English and math courses are right for you. Then there's orientation. You complete new student orientation online and you register for your classes, and then financial aid and scholarships. Finalize your financial arrangements and apply for scholarships. So there's an admissions checklist here. So you can download this and then look at everything that has to do with the admissions process, how you can apply, and the whole, that is all these steps being explained in an easy way for you to understand. So just go ahead and download this checklist, very important. And then you can also request for more information right here. All right, so let's look at international students. What's up for international students? Here is info for international students. Yeah, please complete the MSc Southeast online application form. Complete and submit to the campus admissions office all required forms, information and documentation noted in the attached. There is an information packet for international students, so you can download that to see all the information. Okay, so now how about English language requirements? You need to take TOEFL, and they've included the scores that is needed for that, but not everybody needs to take this. If the native language of your country is English, or if you can provide official college transcripts showing extensive English language studies, you may be allowed admission via an exception status. So you can be exempt from English language test, if your native language in your country is English, or if you schooled in English, basically. All right, so document adequate financial resources to complete your selected program without assistance from the college. An international student financial statement is included in the admissions packet and must be used for this purpose. Then you will purchase a health insurance plan. And once your application for admission is approved, they'll send you the US immigration form that you must use to apply for a student visa. So when you get your admission, they provide you with what you need to apply for a visa to move down to the US. So while there's an English language requirement, it's not for everybody. And I believe that most people that are going to be watching this video are actually native language English speakers or have had their first degree taught in English, so that passes. So that's why you don't need any English language requirements for this. All right, so let's look at financial aid. Let's look at financial aid here. Grants and scholarships. Scholarships, yeah. So there are a number of scholarships here. You can see the list: foundation scholarships, external scholarships. The list is long. There are many of them. So you can see which one you take advantage of. Let's see what's written here. Scholarships are typically awarded based on specific criteria such as financial need, academic success, personal goals, and area of study. This is money that does not need to be paid back and can be used for tuition, books, materials, tools, or living expenses. We encourage you to explore all these options to help you pursue your educational goal in an economical manner. It is well worth your time and effort to apply. So that is not me speaking, that is the school. They said you should explore the scholarships and apply to them. They say it's going to be worth your time. So if you don't want to break the bank to go to school, then you need to check out the scholarships that are available. All right. So let's see more info. So there are financial, okay, these are grants. Yeah, those are grants. Let's just see any of the scholarships. Application window is open from January 1 to June 10. So it's open right now for fall semester. And these are the requirements. Applicants must be enrolled or have been accepted for admission for the fall semester. Okay. All right. And there's a frequently asked questions here. So it's always good to go through all these things to see all the information available for all these scholarships so that you can know what's available to you. Applications are reviewed on the basis of professional goals, financial need, accomplishments, grade point averages, college choice, letters of recommendation, and scholarship evaluation scale. This document explains how scholarship applications are evaluated by the foundation panel. So it's very important to download this PDF and see all the details so you're sure you are doing the right thing. So that's basically how this scholarship works. So since there are a number of them, you may want to go through this website yourself and see all the information that is available to you. So you can take advantage of all that is available, right? Okay, so let's look at admissions. You click on apply now. So this is the admission process. You would download the application form, the online application form. It should only take 10 to 15 minutes to fill out the form. So it's easy, right? It's not going to be too hectic. So you can do that, fill up the form, and then get started. So this is Minnesota State College Southeast, Minnesota State College Southeast, and the URL is southeastmn.edu, southeastmn.edu. So go check out their website and see what you can apply for here. So these are some facts about the school: 95% average placement rate after graduation from career programs, 16:1 average student teacher ratio, students from 48 states, 28 countries enrolled over a 3-year period, 100% liberal arts and sciences faculty with a master's degree or higher. All right, so go check it out. Minnesota State College Southeast. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.